Hello everyone, Carolina Girl Wreaths, Teresa here. How is everybody today? I'm here today just going to show a really simple, short, if I get it done right, how to use 21-inch mesh to make you 10-inch mesh if you're out. For example, I had a wreath a while back and I ran out of the 10-inch mesh for my curls. I'd done a poof method and I ran out of the 10-inch mesh for my curls, which I use. That's what most of us use the curls for, 10-inch mesh. So there is a way you can cut 21-inch mesh to make you 10-inch curls to finish off your wreath. So it's really simple, and I'm going to show you today. First of all, I just want to say though, hello everyone. Even though this is a short video, I still appreciate you. I hope you're having a great day. It's Friday here, and I just want to do this for the weekend. Welcome subscribers, my friends, my buddies. I love you all. I'm going to say that every time because I do. I mean it. And I just thank you all for watching me, for viewing me, and welcome any newbies. So please, if you're viewing this short tutorial, check out my other ones sometimes, anybody. I may have one you really like. Plus, I have a monthly giveaway for my subscribers only. So you may be a lucky winner one day. So anyway, let's get started on this simple way how to make you some 10-inch mesh. Okay, so we're just going to take this roll of 21-inch mesh here. And I will show you, I've done made a few. I've done got me some few Cruffles made up out of this 21-inch mesh. And it's going to go on a poof wreath that I'm making. Okay? So I pre-made some up here. But all you're going to do, take your 21-inch mesh, and you're going to roll it out about 18 inches. Okay, now you're going to need just something to put heavy on it. Kind of. Okay, so after you cut it to 18 inches, just take it, flip it over, and fold it to the side that has the closed edges. I call it like the factory edges, the ones that's not been cut on. Just fold it that way. Okay, and you'll have your two cut ends at each end. Okay, so remember to fold it when you cut it. Fold it with the factory edges here together. Okay, and then just do your regular, like you're making a cruffle, do your regular cruffling. So you've got your clean edges that's not cut, and then you've got your raw edges where you're making the cruffle on. So I hope that helps. When you cut it, make sure you fold it with the edges that's not cut together. Okay? At the end, hold it down. Now these ends don't have to be perfectly straight because they're not going to be completely. But you'll see what I'm talking about as you work with it. But you're going to have an awesome cruffle or ruffle out of this 21-inch mesh. So I'll just put my tool back down on the end here, and this is going to be a cruffle one for me. So see where I cut this at 18 inches a while ago, then right now I have a, if you can see my board here, 10-inch piece. 10-inch piece. And it's making my cruffle piece about 20 inches, 18 inches long. Excuse me guys, 18 inches long, because it's where I cut it, 18 inches. So you've got an 18-inch long cruffle to go on your wreath, and it's 10 inches across in the width. So all we're going to do is make that cruffle. If you've never seen a cruffle, anyone new? You just turn up the ends a couple of times. Don't worry about this fraying down here. It's going to be out of the way. See how you just roll it up there a couple of times. Okay, the fraying is gone. Okay, take your clip. Anything you can use to clip it. Just strand off here. Flip it around, okay? Same thing on this end. Just want to get it. Roll it up too, the same way you just did the other side. For that cruffle. Okay? There you go. There you have again, took care of your ruffling. But now this time we don't want to clip it anybody new. You just want to scrunch it up here to meet the other one in the clip with your hands. Fingers and thumb in the middle. And your other fingers doing the walking to the end. And there you have your cruffle. Your cruffle ruffle from a piece of 21-inch mesh. That's going to go just right on your wreath that you're making. Okay? So what I do here, where I made mine up a few times, a few of them up, which I'm going to be using, just take your pipe cleaner, a few twists, and when you get ready to put it on that wreath, you can just, the part where you've got the stems, the pipe cleaners on your poof, let's say for example, just set this cruffle inside it and bring the pipe cleaner and twist it a few times. That's all you're going to do if you make them pre-made. So there you go. So see how simple that was? So there again, this is just a method to use if you're out of 10-inch mesh. And you like, you say, oh, I need a cruffle or two. I don't have no 10-inch. Well, you do now. If you got plenty of 21-inch mesh, this is perfect. So same thing. Lay it down. Roll it out to 18 inches. Okay. Then you just turn it to meet. You'll have those sealed edges. You know, the ones, you know what I mean, guys. The edges that's not been cut, okay? Flip it around. Okay. Same thing on the end here. Just want to start your cruffling. Don't worry about it being uneven at the ends because it's going to be some. I mean, I've tried to get it perfect and I can't. But just roll it up a couple times. Got rid of your fraying. So all we're simply doing is cutting our mesh 21 inch to be the size of a 10-inch cruffle if we had the 10-inch mesh. And I know I have a lot of rows of mesh 21 inch that I either don't have enough to do a whole wreath or something, and also it's perfect for making cruffles like this. So I hope this really helps somebody. Like I say, the secret, really no secret, all you kind of do, you know, you're just cutting it. You're just cutting it and you're folding it the right way to where, you know, you're getting you a cruffle. That's all you're doing for 21-inch mesh. So I'm going to be doing a few more of these and all because my next tutorial is going to be a wreath. I'm going to be putting these on. So there you go. I hope that helped you today. I mean, it's really simple. It saves on mesh, and plus if you're out of 10-inch, don't go buy a roll. Cut you some off of 21-inch mesh to finish your curls or ruffles. Cruffles or ruffles. Or cruffles, ruffles. It's one of those days, guys. Okay, so I love every one of you. Have a good one. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye-bye.